Hello everybody and welcome back. We're looking at question number 8 on the 2001 grade 11 Fermat contest. And I'm liking the way this question looks because it's going to let me address a mistake I see so many students make. So, if the square root of 5 plus 11 minus 7 is equal to the square root of 5 plus 11 minus square root of x, then the value of x is, okay, so we got potential answers 1, 7, negative 7, 49, and 4. Okay, so right off the bat, I just want to say, let's be stupid about this for a moment. Well, not stupid. Let's be misinformed. Let's forget basic math and assume that all the relationships we want to have happen work. So 5 plus 11 minus 7, well, I should be able to just break this up, right? If I wanted to, I could break it up more, right? Right, but this is the one we're asked for, so obviously x is 7. This is wrong. This is very wrong, and I see this happen so much. Square root sign does not distribute over addition or subtraction. He only distributes over multiplication and division. Okay, that's why 7 and minus 7, these are included as potential answers to this question, because you might rush, or you might not understand the relationships here. You might be stupid, as I shouldn't have said a moment ago. You just might have been misinformed, or you, as I said, you might be in a rush. I see students do this all the time on their homework. They assume that this relationship holds, when if you grab a calculator, just grab a calculator, you will notice that this doesn't. This does not hold. Okay? So, if this doesn't hold, how are we going to figure out the answer? Well, we have, no. People tend to think that square root of a plus b is square root of a plus square root of b. This is quickly seen to not work. Just take 2 and 3. Square root of 5 is not square root of 2 plus square root of 3. Okay? So this doesn't work, and it's annoying when I see people make this mistake, so maybe I'm getting a little too angry about it. So, we'll just ignore all this. How would we actually do the question? Well, on one side, we have 5 plus 11 minus 7, 5 plus 11 minus square root x. So we resist the urge to put a 7 in here, because square roots are tricky, so we stop for a moment. We don't want to be foolish or in a rush. We have an expression over here. Why don't we simplify it? Well, 5 plus 11, that's 16. 16 minus 7, square root of 9, so the left-hand side is 3. This 5 plus 11, that's square root of 16, so that's 4. So really what we've got is 3 is equal to 4 minus square root x. Okay? So if we were just sort of continue on our work up here, if we rearrange this, 4 minus 3 is square root x. Well, that's 1. So 1 squared is going to be square root x squared, which is just x. That's 1 as well. So x is equal to 1. And that is one of the answers. I think it was the first one. I think it's A. Yes, it was. It was A. So no 7, no minus 7, nothing involving 7. I mean, there's a 49 thrown in there as well. The 4 is not a bad one. There's no way to be rushing and get a 4. Just maybe you made an arithmetic mistake somewhere. But the answer is A, 1. So we bubble that in. And we're done. Question number 8. We're almost done all of part A. And I'll see you guys for question number 9 in the very next video. Thank you for watching.